Hi guys, I am Zafar from Zafi Setups. Hope everyone is fine. Today video is based on blend home screen. Hope you all like it. Before starting the video, I have a little request to everyone. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Telegram. The link of the social accounts are added in the video description. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First, open any browser. Go to my website www.zafisetups.com. Go to the backup file section and download the latest backup file, which is blend, and download the zip folder. I already downloaded the zip file, so I am going back to the main screen. For file extraction you can use ZArchiver. I am also using ZArchiver. Open ZArchiver, go to the download folder and extract the zip file like this one. Open Nova settings, open backup and restore, go to the restore backup and select the backup file from the downloaded folder, then press OK. Now hold the screen, tap on wallpapers, open pick image and select wallpaper from the same folder. Tap on it and set wallpaper to the home screen. Today I am using Floral KWGT and the icon pack which is on the main screen are Rev icon pack, and for the add bar I am using Delta free icon pack. All the links are attached in the video description. Now tap on the first widget, open search and type 068 and select the widget from the Floral widget pack. Open it, open layer and edit its scale to 140. So you can see the fonts on my screen which is messed up, and I don't like that type of fonts, so I am changing it to the Product Sans regular. Open globals, first change the font one, tap on it and select any font. I am using Product Sans, which is my favorite. Now also change the font to like the same. So guys, font is ready. Now go to the items, tap on stack group, open position and edit its X offset to 25 and Y offset to 20. After changes, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and disable the block touch, then press save button. Now tap on bottom widget, open search, type 055 and also select the widget from Floral KWGT. Open it, edit its scale to 90 and go to the items, remove time and weather condition. Now go to the widget position, it's already -20. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Your setup is ready. Hope you all like it. Let's have a look on it. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.